Hey guys, so OnePlus will be attending MWC 2019 to showcase its first 5G smartphone in partnership with UK telecom carrier EE. However, most people are looking forward to the OnePlus 7, which is expected to launch in the second quarter. Last month, a photo of a device said to be the OnePlus 7 was shared on the web. It didn't have a notch like the OnePlus 6 and 6T. Although the image didn't confirm it, it was reported that it has a slider design. This new image was shared on Twitter back last week, but it appears no one noticed it until recently. So if you take a look at the left hand side of the phone, you will notice that there are two buttons included there in the bottom portion of the phone's left side. Those two buttons are separated, and it seems like these are power and alert slider keys, as another set of buttons is included on the left, and those buttons are connected, which probably means those are volume rocker keys. So either this image is not legit, or whoever took it didn't pay much attention to orientation settings, as the phone's home screen seems to be flipped upside down. In any case, let's assume that's the case, and that the orientation of the display is wrong here. So just imagine that home page is flipped around. If that was the case, then the phone top bezel would be thinner than its bottom bezel, which would make more sense. You will also notice that display holes are not present here, and the same goes for notches. So this phone's front-facing camera is either placed under the display, which is very unlikely, or we're looking at a phone with sliding mechanism or pop-out camera design, presuming the image is legit. Whatever the case might be, we will have to wait for some more information on that, and till then, I suggest you to take this with a grain of salt. So that is it for this video. Let me know what do you think about it. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.